Okay, here's our Cheektowaga project on Indian. So this is the left side wall. We've got some indentation with the basic utilities here. So where this existing was, we had a 12-inch wide here with a 32-inch door. We try to save as much of this door as we can, and 36 inches to the corner. Okay, and then for the rest of this, we've got 80 inches from inside to inside, another 18-inch old chimney, and we're not positive whether this chimney is going to be for our exhaust, because right now we're on top of the basement. We got the old bathroom here, the old stairway that's getting omitted here. We're planning on possibly knocking this wall and opening this up into, this was an old porch, but this does have the basement. It's got a crawl space that's underneath us here, so you can see how thick the walls are. So these used to be some sort of post that eventually got converted to a porch area. This is all gonna, I think we're gonna bring this all right down. I'm guessing this might be supporting them upper dormers, so we have to take a close look at that. And then we got the stairs leading down to the back. Okay, from this inside wall here, you got a 24-inch going to the end. You got 54 inches, I'm sorry, 54 inches going to this doorway, to that inside corner with a 24-inch doorway there. 32-inch opening here. You got another 36 inches going to the archway, 32-inch wide archway. And then we got 24 inches from the archway to the door here. Okay, we got two windows in here. 31 by 60 windows right now. Okay, and then we got this big archway here. Obviously this is all going to be reconfigured. It looks like we can gain about an extra foot to 1.5 feet up in the ceiling. And he did have some plumbing bust in here, so the heat is off right now. First thing we'll do is get one of these, probably this lower heater, fired up when the time comes. Get some warmth in here. And then there's the bedroom with the stairway that's going to come down. Okay, this was a 30-inch opening, and you got 52 coming from there to there. And then we got 108 inches going from inside to the doorway. 96 inches coming from this exterior wall to this doorway here. We got 68 inches coming from the inside corner to the edge of the doorway there. Okay. And there is no light bulbs in here. Yeah, this is all this acoustical will come down, all this paneling. Again, we're going to try to save these doors, set them aside to reuse if we can. We'll be spraying them. So this is front entrance is here, and we've got 1, 2, 3. You got about 36 inches, so that is an option to haul this off. Put a hallway through here.